So now we know present tense. Tatawa. We know this. Hakozuma. Okay? Hmm? We learn sentence ending in present tense three types. There are few more, but these are the most common when speaking. Hakozuma. So we will learn the extra later. No problem. It's just a little extra. That's all. Hakozuma. Disum. Disum pe yako hakogoreda. Hakozuma. Okay? We know kiyu, kiyure, kiduk. Okay? Right now I wrote here ki only. It could change to yiyu, kiyu, anything. Hakozuma. Okay? So don't confuse. If it's like a yiyu, it's same as kiyu, present tense. Hakozuma. Because when we speak, we always say ki. That's why I just put ki to represent all of them. Hakozuma. Okay? So, present tense, tatawa. Tatange, chutungiyu. Like this. Tatange, chutungiyu. Tatange, pyoke jonkiyu. Like this. Hmm? Tata, sonyaki, pyoke jonkiyu re. Like this. Hakozuma. Tatange, palaki, temotaki yure. Like this. Okay? Then we say kiduk when it's O moment. This mostly happen if you are going on the walk outside and you see different things. Oh, konki pizza sakidu. Oh, konki pöke jonkidu. Oh, konki kecha shekidu. Oh, kongsu temotakidu. Like this. This happens mostly when you are moving on the street like a situation. Oh, moment. Kiduk. Agosuma. Then opposite. Kiyu. Kime. Rwa. Mm. Oh, tata keranki pizza saki yope. Oh, tatangi pizza saki me. Tatangi pöke jonki yo. Like this. Agosuma. Kime. How to use kime. Kiyo mare. Like this. Tata keranki chokpu. Shitongki yorupe. La. Shitong. Agosuma. Tata keranki chokpu. Shitongki yorupe. Oh, tatangi chokpu. Shitongki yomare. Tatangi chokpu. Leka chiki yore. Like this. Okay? Now kiduk or kimeduk. Oh, konki. Pizza saki duge. Mindu. Konki pizza saki minduk. Konki pasta saki du. Like this. Okay? Hmm? Now I have shown you some examples of how to use present tense in a positive and negative both. Agosuma. Okay? Let's practice this a little bit. Okay? Hmm? Yeah, yen hongla inda, yen hongla. Yen hongla.
Testere
Like, tepo imbe.
nga debo into chiche
Lasso, tata keran kapar yu.
tata nye nangla yue
Tata keran ki kari cheki yu.
tata nye pweke jongki yue
Tata keran ki pizza saki yu pe.
tata nye pizza sa yu me tata nye pweke jongki yue
That's it. Tata keran ki amalaki kari cheki yu re.
tata nye amala ki uh, nangla nyen ki yue re
Oh, nyel,
nyen ki yue
nyel,
re
nyel, el.
nyen
Hmm? Nyel ki yu re. Spell. Hmm. Tata keran ki shimi kari cheki du. Tata keran ki meow ki kari cheki du. Shimi kari cheki du.
ngala shimi me
Hakosom, yeah, hakosom. Let's make up something. 그것은, 어허. 야, 다땅이 가르치기도.
다다 키랑기 추 퉁기둑.
다땅이 피자 사기두게.
다다 키랑기 피사 사이 민둑.
That's it. 왜요? 도대체, very good.
두제체.
왜요? 무슨? As we can see how Yen Hongla communicate with me. 하고서 we will try this. All of us. 하고서 야, 소냐라인다. 소냐라 다시 델레 계란 대포인베.
다시 렐렉나 디푸딘
다다 계란 기 가르치기요.
타타 녜 pöi jonki duk
정기 누구 말해? 정기 누.
jonki yu.
어. 하고서 you don't say kidu for your.
Yeah,
하고서.
I can't witness myself doing.
But you do it sometimes. 하고서 you do witness yourself sometimes. Sometimes your legs shiver. Oh, nge kangba dar kiduk. At that time you can say kiduk. 하고서 like this. Or sometimes headache or whatever like this. 다다 네 별게 종기 빼요. 다다 계란기 레카 체기 빼.
Um, lekker chicky yu.
다다 네 레카 체기 you can say
Tata ne lekker chicky yu.
that's it. 다다 계란기 피자 사기 빼.
Me ne pizza saki me.
That's it. 네 피자 사기 빼요. 다다 계란기 족불 가르치기 요래.
Tata ne chokpu kanko shunpa re yu. No. Shunpa re.
말해. Here. 다다 계란기 족불 가르치기 요래. We are talking about present tense. 하고서
Tata ne chokpu konko shunkire.
슌키.
Shunkiyure.
That's it. Let's say this. 양결치기. 다다 계란기 족불 가르치기 요래.
Tata ne chokpu kanko shunkiyure.
That's it. 다당의 족불 깡코르 슌키 요래. 트링트링. Like this. 왜요? 다당의 족불 깡코르 슌키 요래. Like this. 다다 계란기 족불 피자 사키 요래 빼.
Tata ne chokpu pizza saki yumare.
That's it. 왜요? 다당의 족불 피자 사키 요 말에 깡코르 똥키 요래. Like this. 하고서 오케이? 왜요?
Kanko tong, you say tong or shun?
직발해. 직발해.
Tikva?
Shun is right. Tong is also verb. That's it. No problem. 하고서 깡콜 슌키 요래, 깡콜 똥키 요래, 되게 요래. 빼하고도. 다당이 가르치기도.
Tata kirang tree.
지 말에 록래, 록, read.
I thought you were writing.
알래, 야,
What is writing?
트리래, 트리.
Yeah. Well, I thought you were writing. Okay. So you were reading. Tata kirang.
Don't forget the action doer participle. Uh-huh.
Um, Tep
Uh-huh.
Loki, Loki,
Loki.
Loki, Loki Duke.
That's
Yeah.
it. Oh, Tata Keranki Theb Loki do. It's not your general knowledge. You just saw it. Hakosunga. Okay? At
Mm.
that time you use this. Tata Keranki Theb Loki do. Or sometimes you go on the street, you see different things. At that time, you see different people doing different things. At that time, you say kidu. Honki teblo kidu. Honki pizza sa kidu. Honki shetong kidu. Honki kankor shun kidu. Anything you can say. At that time, kidu. Hagosunga. Okay? Hmm? Just like this. Very good. Tujiche Sonyala. Very good. Hagosunga. Tatawa. That's how we use it. Hagosunga. When to use these things. Okay? Let's try. Yeah. Jola in the Jola. Jola. Tata keranki karicheki.
Oh, okay. Uh, Tata ne ne bo böki tukiyu
Tatange peke jong.
종기유
Oh,
böki 종기유.
tatange peke jongki. Like this. Tata keranki temotaki pe.
Um, 타, 타, Tata ne te, temota mm, ki Kimare?
Ki me here.
Me.
Very good. Now you know it's ki me. Hagosunga.
Kim,
Tata nge temotaki me. That's it. Tata nge
Demo,
Netflix taki me. Tata nge peke jongki yu. Like this.
mm.
Hagosunga. Very good. Hmm. Tata keranki chokpe karicheki yore.
Uh, okay, Tata ne, Chokpo? Uh,
Chokpe with the action
Chok,
verb particle. Chokpe.
Chok, Chokpo
Mm-hmm.
ki,
Uh-huh.
uh, n- n- Niel,
Uh-huh.
Niel, is, should I say Yore? Ki
Uh,
Yore?
Tata nge chokpe nyelki yore. Tata
Ki
nge
Yore.
chokpe Netflix taki yore. Tata nge chokpe. You are
Mm.
saying it without observing him.
Without seeing,
Yes.
yeah.
How
Okay,
about
yeah.
general for you? That's why
Mm.
saying 타당의 족보 열기를 타당의 족보 Netflix 따기를 레카 cheki를 anything 하고서
Okay. Yeah.
no yeah 따인다 타당의 가르치기도 할로
Oh,
타당의 가르치기도
uh, uh, Keranki,
uh-huh.
uh, call, what is called? Call is,
카파르통
kapar, Keranki kaparton kiduk.
that's it 계란기 카파르통 하고서 okay like this fair very good. Now, I would like to suggest you to practice also negative when you have time. Hagosu
Yes.
Hidu Kimindu like this.
Kiduk,
Okay? Hmm?
kiduk. Yes, I will practice.
Yes, yes. I can see you can say it, but you need practice. That's lacking.
Mhm.
Hagosu, okay?
Mhm.
That's it. Hmm? 빼하고 투지치 몰라. Thank you.
주제치.
So, as we can see how present tense works. 하고승아, let's do one more. Let's try one more. Yeah. present tense 라 되네. 달아라인다. 달아라. Yeah.
Ya, 다시 딜레길라.
달아라 다시 될래. 달아라 다다 계란키 가르치기에.
다당의 보이키 용기주.
다당에 벽에 종기유 or 벽익 종기유. Anything.
야, 보이키,
하고승아,
보이 용기. 야,
다다 계란키 쉐똥기 유배 쉐똥
야, 야.
라라라.
말에, 다당의,
쉐똥.
제동, 내 말에, 제동 말에.
기메레 opposite of 기유.
기매, 야,
다당에 쉐똥.
기매, 제동, 기매.
That's
다당의 보이키 용기주.
That's it. 하고승아,
하고서.
다다 계란키 족부 가르치기 요리.
다당에 좋고, 넷플릭스 딱히 요래.
That's it. 다당에 족부 넷플릭스 따기 요리. Just like this. Now let's say one sentence about 기두. 하고승아, go like this.
오케이. 다당에 좋고, 갑을 동기도.
That's it. 다당에 족부 가파르동 기두. 하고승아, very good.
예.
잘할라. Very good try. 하고승아, very good, very good. Lasso. Yeah, let's say Myla in the Myla.
다시 되래.
다시 델레 Myla. 다다 계란키 레카 체키 예베.
다다게 레카 체키메.
That's 다다 계란키 아말라키 가리 체키 예레.
게 아마 아마라 아마키 아마라키 냐루 키요레.
That's it. 다다게 아말라키 니키 예베. 빼하고 송송. 아니, 다다 계란키 족부 가리 체키도.
단다에게 덮어 콜라갑기드.
That's it. 족보 말을 족보 with the action
족보.
verb particle. Here,
Okay.
since 족보 has no genjuk, you can write only sa, right?
오케이.
That's why. 다당에 족보 꼬라잡기도. Like this. Very good. Then opposite we know 김민득. 기요마리 김해. Like this.
오케이.
빼하고.
하고서.
Very good.
주지체.
다시 delek. Okay.
다시 되래.
Very good. 빼하고 송송. Okay. Now, if you have any question about present tense, you can ask me now. 하고승아. Okay? If you have any doubt. If you don't have doubt, I suggest you to please practice it with the different verbs. Kora gyab, kalaksa, kapartong, Netflix ta, peke jong, peik ti, gom gyab, nyamlen che, practice che, anything, okay? You can also add this verb, nyamlen che, like this. In commonly, they translate as practice. So you can say, chu nyamlen che, practice dharma. Nyamlen che. Okay? But I would say Nyamlen is more like a taking from experience. Mhm. Because if you practice, it's robotic. If you realize it's human, okay, like this. Practice, then it becomes dead. Okay. So I would say practice is not very good word if you go deep. Nyamlen che. Normally they translate it as practice, dharma, like this. Okay, like this. For example, if there is a rap battle, if you prepare from before and you do it in the stage, it's not that alive. If you like make it on the stage, on the spot, like rhyming and everything, it is very alive. So that's what I'm saying, dead or alive. So nyamlen che usually translate as practice. Okay, just like this. Okay, che nyamlen che ki re ki duk. Like this. Okay, so I have given you some verbs you can practice with present tense. Okay, that's it. Then we did past tense in the previous. Okay. Depa. Depa. It's also debt, you can say. We use this. Nge pala de tsar pare. Nge amala de pare. Passed away. Okay? Like this. De. It's also past tense translated as. So we have payin. Okay, sorry. Maybe yang kyar tikiin kamachigo.
Tensila. So I can say ye pa ma la de pare. Huh?
That's it. If
Okay.
you finish, you can say de song like
Huh?
this.
De song.
Ye pala amala de song. Ye
De
para
song.
amala de pares. You can say both. Okay?
Okay. De song and de pare. Okay. Thank you.
That's it. Agosunga. Yeah, rimbuche de pares. Tenda lamna digire. Agosunga. Tade. Depa. Past tense. Agosunga. We have payin, pare, song. Ending. Agosunga. Oh yeah. Then we have negative. Pa mean. Okay. Pa mare. Masong. Right? You can take note if you want. Okay. If you can't, I will put it in the group chat. Okay. So we have like this. Payin, pare, song. 가상에 pizza 세파인. 가상에 벽에 장파인. 하고승아. 뭐야? 가상에 꼬라 갸파인. If I make it longer, 가상에 gwempala monastery la. gwempala 꼬라 갸파인. 가상에 Bauddha Chöten la. Bauddha stupa la 꼬라 갸파인. Like this. 하고승아. Oh yeah. 가상 rinpoche ki sungche nang pares. Like this. 송춘낭 하고 중아 give teaching, 그봐? About dharma. 가상 rinpoche ki 송춘낭 pares. Like this. If you witness, then you can say 가상 공기 베개 종송. 가상 공기 pizza 세송. Keep in mind, it is always with the verb.
Nang, nang is then to give nang.
Vere, give.
Mm-hmm.
Vere. It's a not only give. In this, yes, give. How goes on? Okay?
Mm.
It depends. Okay? Oh, yeah. 송춘낭. 들어봐. Like this. Okay? 빠민, 빠마레, 마송. 가상에 pasta sapamin. 가상에 biryani sapain. Like this. How goes on? 가상에 족불 내가 제pa 말해. 가상에 족불 hlulu depare. He just relaxed. Konki leka chepa mares. Ruba. Masong. Kasang yanaki kalak sui masong. 하고 송아 가상 야나키 칼락 sui masong. Kasang yanaki kalak ngakson. Order ngak. 하고 송아 가상 야나키 칼락 ngakson. 가상 야나기 칼락 쇠마송. Just like that. Okay? Oh yeah. Yeah, that didn't practice in the normala in the normala. Normala. Kerangi pa yin pare song la sikrup seronang.
시그룹, 시그룹.
Hmm.
니, 니, 프림, 프리모, 트리파레.
Or yin pa yin. Raba. Ako sunga.
Yeah.
Okay? Nge remote pa yin. Ako.
니 리모 트리파인 하고 송.
Very good. Nge remote pa yin. Tene?
네.
Pare, try chetan. Nirmala.
파레, 파레. 아, 니, 니 쪽, 뭐, 유튜브, 니 쪽, 뭐기, 유튜브, 따, 따파레.
That's it. Ye chomo ki YouTube tapare, Netflix tapamare. Like this. Agosma. Now let's
하고
say
송.
song. Song.
송, 니, 니, 림포시에 대송.
Kare, yankyar sundan.
니 림포시에 대송.
Rinpoche, kare, jail song, rube.
네, 대송.
Jail song. Ruba. Ye Rinpoche jail song. Fail. Ruba. Fail. Yago song song. Big song. Okay. That's it. Fail. 야, 다 되네, 니콜레라인다. 니콜레라, 계란기 된다 송로나. 가상이 피자 사파민, 파스타 사파인. 라보. 디드라보 계란기, 식두 세로나.
Kasang, ane, beke John Payo,
정파인,
John Pain. Kasang, gedung watso jitso, gompala, namlen jepare.
Uh-huh.
Kasang, lama chenpodi, chotsogla, sungcho nang song.
That's it. Fail. Tene ya negative la. Seta.
Kasang ne Netflix la temo tapamin.
Mm-hmm.
Kasang gendun watso jitso, certain la kora kiab pa mare.
Uh-huh.
Kasang ne lerokso chilok la linka top masong.
That's it. Kasange lerok se chilok la. Linkatong masong. Like this. Fail. Fail ko song song. Tujiche. Okay?
Trishadanam.
Hola su tujiche. That's it. Yeah, tene Epolina la inda. Epolina la. Yeah. Hapsi chetan. Sikrup chetan. Yeah.
다시 들리겠나?
Rashi Derek.
어, 사상이 사강라 친파인,
Uh-huh.
니 투파 세파민, 모모 세파인.
Peyako. Nge tupa sepa min. Momo sepa in. Peyako. Peyako song song. Lasso.
니, 니 진룩, 진룩, 딜리라 친파레.
Key, Gurba. Oh, make this habit.
Sorry? 니,
Oh, you miss the action doer. Akosunga. Hmm?
니, 예, 오케이. 니 진루이, 딜리라 친파레.
That's it. Yeah. It's intro ki Delhi la chimpare, New York la chimpa mares. Ruba.
Yes.
You're talking about
Yes.
general. Now, if you witness, then
Um,
in the past,
콩라, yes, 콩기, 록총,
mhm,
록총, 제송,
that's it. Konki lobjong che song. Konki Netflix tama song.
콩기,
Konki lobjong che.
yes.
Right?
음,
Akosunga.
음,
Where go? Or konki puyik jong song. Konki Netflix
yes,
tama song.
please,
Like this. Anything.
yes.
Konki
콩기,
science jong.
콩기 갈락 세마,
That's it. Konki kalak sema song. Like this.
세마송, yes.
Konki kalak sema song. Where go? We should keep in mind these are always attached with the verb kalak se masong, kalak se song, pizza sapa in, kora gyapa in, kora gyapa re, like this. Then you will not confuse the arrangement. Don't try to translate it from English. You will make mistake definitely. Okay, that's it. Keep these formulas in the mind. Verb plus da 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 da. Pagosuma peyago. Siktu peyago song song tuchena ebolina la. Tene ya. Wang chung chung la inda. Wang chung chung la. Wang chung chung la siktu sero na.
녜 모모 사바인,
Mhm.
녜 투빠 사바민,
Tukpa tungpa min be.
아, 투빠 통바민,
Mm.
아소, 음, 콩, 버게, 잠발레,
Action doer particle. Cheda
콩기, 버게, 잠발레,
peyago. Mhm.
어, 콩기, 인게, 잠발레.
That's it. Mm.
오케이, 림보체기, 순체 낭송.
That's it. rinpoche 송추 낭송. That's it.
알았어.
어?
공기 최냠 레제마송.
That's it.
렌제마송.
어. 공기 추 냠린 제마송.
공기 최 냠렌 제마송.
빼요. 공기
알았어.
추 냠린 제마송. Very good. 빼요.
투지체.
올라서 도대체. siktu 빼하고 송송. 근데 야 니말라인다 니말라. 니말라 siktu 서로나.
Nie dan cel sepain.
빼하고 얘 대탕셀 세바인. 응? 그래서
Nie celok la chinpamin.
빼하고 얘 칠록라 친파민 빼하고. 응?
Kong mota dan pare.
공기 제다 채소.
Kong ki mota dan pare.
That's it. 공기 모터 땅바래. 빼하고.
Kong ki kapar dan pamare.
빼하고. 공기 카바르 땅바 말해. 빼하고. 응?
Kapar dan pam.
응? 빼하고.
De paret. Zoptuk mampo lepsong.
어허.
Konso chang tongmasong.
빼요. 공수 창통마송.
Konso chang tongmasong.
어? 빼요. Very good. 빼요. 빼요. 송송 투지치. Okay? Very
Visa.
good. 니말라 투지치. Now we have to keep in mind when we put the action duo particle, we have to put this action duo particle if it's done by something. If it's natural, then there is no action duo particle. You shouldn't put. Agosuma, okay? For example, he became taller. At that time, you don't put action duo particle. He didn't make himself taller. Agosuma, the natural riba, rangshin riba. Sejang, you don't put there. So keep in mind, Agosuma. But you know where to put action duo particle after the action doer. Agosuma. 빼하고. 라소라소. 디디기도. 니말라 투지치. 되네 술학송. Anyone left? 왕충충가. Did we did already? Ale Yanala 학송. Yanala. Yanala. Yanala.
인치 자나
Ale Jana. Janala. 라소. Janala. 아니 직도 세로나.
예 계사 내가 제베인
빼하고. 가상이 or 계상이 내가 제바인.
예 살락바 예 워싱턴라 뱀이 족벌 망보 남들 워싱턴라 진베인
빼하고. 살학발라스. At Wednesdays. 루바. 빼하고. Washington la 친파이스. 빼하고.
벽에 족벌 망보 냠들 진베인
냠투 친파이스. 하고서. 레레. 알레. 라소. 아니 되네. 파레탕 송인다.
예, 예, 벽에 찢어 에, 랍서. 벽에 찢어 셰베인,
라소 라소. 케차 셰파인 니가 되기도. 라소. 아니 되네. 송. 라직 송로나.
송, 예, 벽에 정말, 음, 죄송.
배빠 창문 제송.
제발 죄송.
어,
음,
그게 템바 제송. 알레레레레. 어, 야고송.
음,
템바
음,
제송. 응?
죄송. 음,
I forgot. 그봐. 응?
음,
네, 템바 제송.
음,
A realization. That's why you say song. 하고송아. It's a real
랄라,
for yourself.
네, 음, long 망보 찌라, 냐 라살라, 데바인.
알레 로 망봉은 라레. 제라 마레. 원.
냐라,
어.
라살라, 데바인.
이 한국이도 계란기 자당티 똑섬 하세 자당 라고도. 응? 계란기 자당 pronunciation.
냐라, 치워요.
라수 손타.
the present tense. The sa yeah kala saidu. The saidu the gomare sagidu. The sangma the lapsang. They always say sagidu. They don't say saidu. Even though you write, maybe you write the chi tupki in a get it tupki me.
You are right. You are right. Many experts right now quarreling on this debating on this topic. We talk about te rawan chen, te shenwan chen, particles that has freedom, some that don't have. In ancient time, nyema nyema nathang la chikpo te rawan chen re. Ina yang tingsang kecha shetu ki mangbo lapidu. Chitang ki di te shenwan chen ina yang 다 딩상 미창매 기디 체 라왕chen 낭신 pechu cheki yochang ani kongzu 기대양 체 라왕chen swegure labne tindegi kongzu debate cheki yore chudur cheki yore kerang kisung ba tempare agosunga that's it the usage of key even though it is wrong to use key in every sentence like without looking at the suffix. But nowadays, experts debate on this topic to make kakiguki also as a freedom particle that has freedom. Usually we say la has a freedom and na has a freedom, not ki. But they debate about this. So we'll go on. Let's see how the language evolves. Like this. Payable. That's it. 투지체 야나라. That's the question, Ruba. Chiwa di Ruba. Lasso lasso. Yagodu.
Chancellor, sorry, I have to leave now.
Yes,
I
please.
will follow up. I'll follow up on the video. Okay.
Lasso lasso.
Thank you. Good night, everybody.
Lasso lasso.
Good
Thank
night,
you.
Dara.
Bye. Bye, everybody.
Lasso lasso. Jema jeyong. Lasso lasso.
Kela tildo.
Now we know past tense. Hagosunga. Verb plus these six things. Okay? Then we know present tense. Hagosunga. Here. Present tense. Tatawa. Tatawatang depa hakosong. Okay? I will suggest us to please write down sentence or just say sentence using different verbs with this. Hakosonga. Okay? That's it. That's it. Oh yeah. Tene, yeah. Tangi karantula tering introducing just introduction. We will go detail in the next lesson. Hakosonga. Hmm? Tadi maompa re, maompa. Hakosunga. Only one tense left. It's one that didn't came. Maompa. Hakosunga. Hmm? Maompa literally means the one that didn't came yet. Hakosunga didn't came yet. Maompa. For that you say future, right? Hmm? That's it. One is ungraspable. Hakosunga maompa. Didn't came yet. Didn't exist yet. Hakosunga. Hmm? That's it. Maompa. Hakosunga future tense. Tade. Nge pizza saki yin. Future tense. Nge pöke jonki yin. Future tense. Hakosunga. Oya. yen hong ki pöke janki re. Future tense. Sonia ki leka cheki re. Future tense. Hakosunga. Okay? Like this. Now here, sare, we usually mostly use for weathers. Sangin charpa bhapsare. Unpredictable, Ruba. It is unsure future tense. Hakosunga. Sangin charpa bhapsare. Like this. Sangin kang bhapsare. Like this. Sangin charpa bhapsa mare. Like this. Charpa hakosunga rainfall, Ruba. Sangin charpa bhapsa mare. Sangin charpa bhapsa re. Unsure. Hakosunga. Like this. Yes, Apollinala, Sungtang.
Bimla, is it gare or gire? Because negative you written
Yes,
gimare.
Kire. Thank you very much, Raso.
Tujin.
Apollina ki pizza sakire. Future tense. Hakosunga. That's it. We call it maompa. Okay? The one that didn't come yet, didn't exist yet. Hakosunga. If you look at the word, very nice. Maompa doesn't exist yet, didn't come yet. Hakosunga. Oh yeah. Depa, death. Remember? Pass, dead, already, dead. Tatawa. If you notice, la tata is watching. Hakosunga. That's it. Tatawa. You can only witness now. That's what our Rinpoches also say this to us. Hakosunga. That's it. Tatawa. That's it. Hakosunga. That's it. Tatawa. If you look at the word, very nicely put together. Hakosunga.
The Tenzin the ong in Maungpa. What is the ong?
Come. It's a verb, like come. So, pa, maumpa not came yet. Ruba, like this. Okay? But it's dictionary, it will say future tense. Hakosunga, future. Like this. Then we have tatawa. Then we have depa. Hakosunga. You must focus on depa thang. Tatawa. Tatawa thang depa. Jong. Jonga. Hakosunga. Tatawa thang depa. Yapo jonga. We must practice tatawa thang depa. Hakosunga. Tatawa thang depa. Practice chegure. That's it. I would say for the language, we must practice to make it a habit. Ako sunga. It's like, 라서, 그게 정글이다. 다다와타, 대파, 정글에. 마옹파, we can go detail in the later. ako sunga. And don't miss how to use action doer particle. ako sunga. Okay? When you make sentence, you can add location also. 가상에 pizza 사파인. 가상에 Jimmy Italian la pizza sapayin. Just add location. Jimmy Italian la. 하고 순가 가상에 Jimmy Italian la pizza sapayin. So please practice like this. Okay? We are doing very good. And tujiche tashi dalek sayonara tata bye bye. That's it.
두제체 겔라.
두제체, 겔라 두제체.
That's all. I must say
쯔쯔쯔.
젤라자.
one thing I want to say is I would like to thank you very much for attending this class, all of us, and also for some of us helping me with the donation. I really appreciate it. Akosunga. I really. It helped me and my work also. Akosunga. Okay? I thank you very much for all of you. And then I will send today new 80 announcement so that you can share it with your friends. Okay? Lasso. Ni tujiche trashi delek. That's it. Hola.
네.
This is a good night.
That's it. That's it.
제, 김자만고.
Guten Night.